Good morning, children. So let's continue with the new lesson now. So our new lesson is who will do this work. So this is chapter number 16. This is based upon the people who do all those work which we don't want to do. And why do you think that they need to do these kind of work? Let's see. So you have seen such scenes around you. You can see how these people are working here in the dirty, they're doing the dirty work. Have you ever thought of the people who do this work? What is our responsibility to keep that place clean? Why do you think people need to do this kind of work? Why do you think so? They need money. Yeah, everybody needs money and they don't have enough qualification. Either they are illiterate and they have to work, so whatever work they get they do, isn't it? Or they, what happened that some of them they belong to that community, and since everybody is doing the same work they also keep doing the same work, isn't it? Let's move. Our friends spoke to some staff who do cleaning jobs. Here are some of the things they told us. Now, this is the diagram, children. This is the first diagram you have to draw. These two ladies are cleaning. Yeah, they're sweeping. So that diagram you have to draw first. Question has been asked, since when have you been doing this work? About 20 years since I completed my studies. Why didn't you study further? You should have got some other job. You need money for studies, and even after that most of our people continue to do this kind of work, because they belong to that community. So even initially they don't have the money, or even if they have money after studying, money for the study, and after studying also they do the same work. What do you mean? Since our great grandfather's time, or even before that, most people of our community have been doing this work. Even after getting a college degree, our people do not get any other kind of job. So they have to do this work. Why is that so? That is the way it is. In the entire city, all the people who do this kind of work are from our community, and it has always been so. So children, nowadays of course the things have been changed, but there are few communities in the communities who always do the sweeping work. They keep doing the same work. Now, moving ahead, what are the different kinds of work being done in this drawing? Children, after this video, you will have to send me or you can pause the video and start sending me 5 different works which you see here in this drawing. Okay? If you know more than 5, if you can see more than 5, you can write more than 5. If you were asked to do any of the 5 jobs shown in this picture, which would you choose? This answer you have to give me. First, you have to answer me whether list any 5 of these. Then you have to answer me which one you will choose and which you will not choose and why. Okay, which you will choose and which will you not choose and why. All right. Now, next, moving ahead. Children, you can see this, what's happening. Here, they are the pictures made by the children, and they are making their own cleaning equipments and devices. Alright, so let's start. What would happen if nobody will do this work? If nobody cleared, you have to imagine. What would happen if nobody did this work? If nobody cleared the garbage lying outside your school or your house for 1 week, then what would happen? The garbage kept in your home. what will happen to the garbage? And every day the garbage is getting collected, and a heap of garbage is there at your home. What do you think will start coming out of it, and what do you think will happen if the garbage people do not come to pick it up? Now think of some ways like machine or the other things, so that the people think of some ways so that the people would not have to do the work they don't like to do the work they don't like to do. Draw the picture of what you thought. Do you think that anyone has ever tried to change the situation? Yes, many people have tried. Okay, people are trying even today, but it is not easy to change this. One such person was Mahatma Gandhi. Children, Mahatma Gandhi was the one who always wanted to change the situation. Means there were people who were actually dedicated for these dirty work, you know that, and people of that community, they were not treated well. And they were not, even people used to think that, like, you should not go and touch them. The problem was like they were untouchable. The problem of untouchability, they were untouchable, means nobody wanted to touch them because they do these dirty work. Nobody wanted to talk to them properly. Nobody wanted them to enter inside the house. Okay, and if by mistake they touch anything, that they used to take shower. They used to throw away the things if they touch anything, as if they touch, if they, as if something dirty touched the things. No, so those people were treated very badly. That is why this Gandhiji, they try to bring equality amongst the community, and they were trying to teach everybody to do all this work which you feel like this is dirty. Here, they are the equipments made, the machines are made which will take the garbage, and you can, like, make your own equipment. Children, you have to draw your own equipment, own machine, which can uh, be used for the work which you don't want to do. Yeah, either cleaning work, any cleaning work, or the garbage, the machine which can actually take the garbage inside and self burn it or self destroy it. Anything, whatever you feel like, you make your own machine and let me know what you made. Okay, so we will learn about the Gandhiji, who was, very concerned about the problem related in this issue which is there in India, about the untouchability. Okay, so children, we should not treat anybody according to their community or the work they do. So since in our school, our mercies and all, they are doing all that work which we don't want to do, so should we treat them like that? No, we should behave, and we should respect them and teach them with proper respect and care. We should care about them. Yeah. So in the next period, we will learn about Gandhiji, how he helped everybody to do those work which you don't want to do, and that should be done by you only, isn't it? So let's that we'll see in the next period. Now I'm going to you will have to draw these machines. Draw something very interesting which is your own creation, and then you can send it. You can draw it in there, and this, draw it in your copy, and this comes in the exam. Children, that draw any equipment or the machine used for cleaning purposes. So you'll have to use your innovation and make the diagram and send it to me. After that, once you complete this video, you have to send me all those 5 work which you see in the diagram. Okay, you can see here in the diagram. So you just have to see those 5 works and you have to then list the 5 work, and then you have to tell me which 5 work you don't want to do and why, and which work you want to do and why. Okay.